Hello, this is Eric, and I'm going to show you in this video how to install a UClear intercom communication device that you can use for motorcycles. I'm going to show you how to put it into a helmet and also briefly show you how to pair. This is the actual UClear unit here. This is the box it comes in. It also comes with this pair of speakers with the little microphones and a connector and two different ways to connect.
Okay.
The ways that you would connect would either be to clip this onto the side of the helmet, which we're not going to do, or you can connect it permanently, or so I should say semi-permanently, with this connector, which you can fit right to the side of a helmet. So in my case, I'm not going to use the connector because this is an old unit and actually the clip is broken off the back. So, but you can imagine how you would normally connect this, which is you would just choose a side of the helmet that you want and find a place large enough to mount this little clip, and then you just put it right there, and then you slide the unit down on top. But I'm here to show you mostly today how to install it inside the helmet. So you start with a helmet that is of sufficient quality that you can actually remove the padding on the inside. If you cannot remove the padding on the inside, it's not going to work. So this is a pretty good HJC FG Jet helmet, and they're actually pretty nice for the price range, made in Thailand. And so with these helmets, you just simply pull the liner out and it disengages these little clips here. So it's pretty easy. There's usually 2 or 3, and then this just slides out like that. So, and you can also do this side the same way. Just pull sharply, very sharply, and then lift. But the point is that although your helmet may be different, you need to just be able to get to the inside. Okay, so typically the ears are going to be right about here in the helmet, but you can always put it on and test. I do not have to remove this part of the liner. Many helmets come with it already kind of fuzzy right here, and then you can just stick this Velcro right onto it. But in this case, we're going to have to go and actually install some pads. Now, usually these come with some kind of pads installed, or at least included in the box, and this is what they tend to look like right here. And so you just install them inside the helmet where you want, see, and then they stick. So you're going to take your hook and loop, which will have a sticky right here. You take the fuzzy one and you'll just stick it wherever you want the UClear to go. I'm going to try to put it right here in these holes. Okay, right here in the ear holes. Now, these don't have to stick super hard because the force of your head squeezing against the padding, which goes right in here, is going to mostly hold these in. So now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put another matching Velcro pad. And you can buy these on like eBay and Amazon for very cheap if you are running out. I mean, we're talking like a couple of dollars a set. So just putting that right inside there. I'm just gonna stick this right in here like that. Okay, it actually sticks pretty well. Once this is attached, which it is, it looks like it's not very tight, but it's tight enough. Then you're going to run the longer set down inside. You can remove all the padding if you want. I'm not going to. It's just easier for me to go like this, and there we go. Okay, so I've run this under here, and then I'm going to stick the other one just like that. And again, if it seems like it's not very tightly attached, I promise you it is attached tightly enough. So once I've done that, and I've decided where I'm going to put the main unit, I'm going to lay the main unit down where I want it to go, and I want it to go right here. Okay, just press and hold. Doesn't take very long. And then it's a matter of just simply reinstalling everything. And once you have reinstalled, all you have to do is you turn the unit on and then press and hold these two buttons at the same time. And once it starts to flash, it is ready to talk to your phone. You can pair it with your phone like any other Bluetooth device. There. Okay. And then you just simply plug this into the back of the unit. You can see that the back of the unit has a plug down in here, and this is the matching plug. That's it. It's in. This is now set up and ready to go. Again, you then turn it on. Watch for the light. If it's installed correctly, you can hear it beeping inside with the speakers. Press and hold, and it now enters the pairing mode. And then you're set to go once you pair with your phone. And now your helmet is ready. And it's got a UClear installed on it, which you can then use to basically talk to your phone, and you can use it to talk to other people as well. So there it is. One UClear installed inside of one helmet. The directions for your helmet may vary slightly, but not too much. You get the basic idea. And also, if you have a different unit, like a Cena unit, they install pretty much the same way. So that's how you do it. All set.